But how can I see my grandma?
Oh, you miss your grandma? Yeah. You just have to go back to Melbourne and visit them sometime.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
but I want them to come to Brisbane as well. To miss me.
Oh, to miss you. Yeah, for sure they miss you too, honey. They will come visit you. Sila dito at nag-lockdown sila ilang araw. Kami parang isang buong taon nag-lockdown sa Melbourne.
Mother's so loud, not voice.
Nag-lockdown kami sa Melbourne.
It's too noisy, Mommy. It's too noisy. It's too noisy, Mommy. It's too noisy.
Okay, sorry my love.
Tuck a little down a little bit because I can't hear the TV.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam.
And my turn.
Tingnan niyo guys. Ate Paris, you shouldn't be there, anak. Mura man chichigi ang ngayon. Oh, tingnan niyo, oh. Nakatampisaw na. Very happy girl. Kasi before kami umalis ng Melbourne, guys, to be honest, Daddy Mike and I took pregnancy test. When the doctor asked me if I had like a nausea, I said no, nothing, but last week I had it.
Yeah, you twice.
Was it twice?
The day before Nan and Pa's and then at Nan and Pa's.
Oh yeah. Where is my little girl going? Good morning, Brisbane. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Honey, have a look at yourself. Welcome back to our
Channel.
channel. Good morning, Daddy.
Morning.
What time is it now?
11:40.
Hindi ko muna pakita ang aking sarili, guys, kasi baka matakot kayo at magsialisan kayo. So, Daddy Mike and Celine, they're going out for a quick walk. Ayan. You happy? Are you happy? Okay. Enjoy your walkies. What's the weather today? 27. Yeah.
Is that
Cloudy. 27 and cloudy. Ngati Paris ay nagsa-shower.
Mommy's gotta take you out.
I'll take you out, my love. Careful, anak, ha? Kasi it might be slippery, anak. Alright, my love. Enjoy, sweetie girl. Enjoy, my baby.
I'm your love too.
Huh?
I'm your love too.
Yes, Daddy, I love you too.
You said my loves, not love.
My loves. Enjoy, my loves. Okay?
I'll have to be home before 10 to 1 because you're appointment.
Yeah, okay. Bob, have a feel of her, Baba. Make sure she's comfortable. Daddy, I think we have to tighten up the bottom. But
Get my shirt on. So doesn't pull my shirt up.
alright. Bob, look at her all the time, ha? Kalis na. So it's pretty. Mga Paris natin ay nasa shower. It's pretty cloudy today, guys. It's very humid, you know? Very Philippines lang talaga yung weather dito, guys. Walang araw. Hopefully in the coming days may araw na. What's a good thing about it though, kasi kahit walang araw, it's still very warm, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna get changed. Natiparas natin, babe. Tingnan nyo, oh. So at 12:50, guys, meron tayong doctor's appointment. Supposedly, naghilamos ako kanina para mag-ready na at umalis. But then, tumawag yung doctor kay Daddy Mike, kasi si Daddy Mike yung nag-book for me. Tumawag siya, sabi niya na we will just do it over the phone. So parang video call lang because he is not well. So instead na pupunta kami ng clinic, then we'll just do it at home. So hindi na ako nagtapos na mag-ano. So naghilamos ako pero hindi ko finix ang aking hair tsaka yung aking damit, hindi ako nagbihis. Anyways, yeah, we made a doctor's appointment, guys, for me because it has been a crazy ride for me, guys. Since nung dumating kami dito from Melbourne, parang palagi akong nahihilo. And hindi lang siya, ano tawag ito, hindi siya parang now and then, 3 days later. Hindi ganun. Like, everyday siya. Everyday siyang nangyayari sa akin. Salita ako. It feels like I am, moving. Like that. So, I am worried about my health. Kasi nga, diba? Pero ang iniisip ko, I'm not thinking the worst. Iniisip ko na baka kasi siguro, I've been stressed about the big move, Melbourne to Brisbane, all the packing, and I know Daddy Mike has done, the hard job, like, the heavy work and that, but it's pretty, it's mentally draining, guys. It's super tiring, kahit na hindi ako yung nag-carry ng mga boxes ng mga ganun. It's still very tiring for me. And, super stressful yung pag-move, guys. Kaya, siguro, ito yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Kasi alam niyo naman, di ba, previous videos, nung nag-move kami, wala akong tulog. Kasi sobrang busy sa pagpapak. And so maybe ngayon kasi naka-rest na kami. Ngayon ko lang nararamdaman yung after, ano bang tamang term doon? Kasi when you're in the moment, yun bang busy ka, so hindi mo nararamdaman. But then kapag natapos na ang lahat, nakapag-relax ka na, dun mo lang mararamdaman lahat. So I'm thinking na maybe it's just, kind of stress, ganun, kung bakit ko nararamdaman to. Kasi, akala ko nga mawawala din siya eh. But then, it's a daily occurrence now na everyday talaga yun yung nararamdaman ko. Alam niyo, parang feel ko naglilindol. Feel ko na parang matutumba ako anytime. Kaya, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I need to see a doctors. Kasi, I can't live like this forever, na parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa akin the next day, or it's very good na at least na baka may advise siya sa akin, or may maibigay siya sa aking prescription para ma-stop itong nararamdaman ko. But there's nothing else naman, guys. I am fine, and I'm totally fine. Ang yung nararamdaman ko lang talaga is parang umiikot, parang dizzy. Yun yung, yung term. Basta, yung parang umaalog-alog akong ganun kahit hindi nag-move. Kaya nga natatakot ako na dito sa 38th floor kami. At parang natatakot ako kasi parang feeling ko na nag-move ako. Parang jet lag, ganun na feeling ba? Yung parang nasa plane ka pa rin. Ganun na feeling. I'm hoping it's nothing, guys. Maybe I just need rest. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, water, more sleep. But then, I go to bed early now compared to before. Kasi nga, di ba parang holiday mode tayo ngayon. But then, still guys, yun pa rin yung nararamdaman ko. So, hopefully I'll feel better. Yes, ate. Fresh na fresh. Did you have a shower? Did you enjoy it? Yeah. Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning pa ba ngayon? Good afternoon na ata. 12 o'clock na eh.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, tita dito. Tell them what you're eating. Tell them.
Cereal.
Cereal. Good girl. Are you enjoying Brisbane, my love?
Yeah, I love Melbourne.
Oh, don't say that. Melbourne is lovely too, honey. We just moved here because it's warmer, yeah?
Yeah, but it's cold in Melbourne.
I know, it's cold in Melbourne. Especially when
I
it's
just
winter.
want to stay in Brisbane.
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
Hmm?
But how can I see my grandma?
Oh, you miss your grandma? Yeah. You just have to go back to Melbourne and visit them sometime.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
but I want them to come to Brisbane as well to miss me.
Oh, to miss you. Yeah, for sure they miss you too, honey. They will come and visit you here.
Yeah, when they're in the airport now. Just you could call. You could
I
call.
think Lola Karen will come on Easter. She'll come and visit you and Celine. Yeah? Do you want them to visit you?
Yeah, but how does your grandma? I want my grandma to come here.
Yeah, I said on Easter. Lola Karen is coming.
Last time I seen her, it wasn't Easter in Paz. I went to Paz, and I waited a lot of times. And Lola Karen come last time. Yes.
That's right, yeah. At Nan in Paris. She was playing with you. Yeah?
Ah.
You love your cereals, don't you?
Yeah.
Alam nyo ba guys, nakatanggap ako ng Miss Koba.
But I
Hindi ko alam na tawag dito. Hindi ko kasi napansin yung phone ko guys kasi 12:50 pa yung appointment ko sa doktor. Pero nakatanggap ako ng voicemail, sabi na doktor ko daw yung tumawag. And hindi na siya tumawag ulit. So, tapos pa yung number, no caller ID. So, hindi ko matawagan ulit. So, I don't know if he's gonna call me back. Not sure.
Mom?
I missed the doctor's call, my love. What am I gonna do?
Huh?
What am I gonna do? The doctor tried to call me and I missed it. What shall I do?
You should have to sleep. You have to stay here.
Yeah, I'll stay here.
Why?
Kasi alam niyo ba guys, yung mga tao dito sa Brisbane ay
I sick. I sick.
Not really, my love. I just wanna check with the doctors. But I'm not sick, I'm fine. Yung mga tao dito guys, takot na takot sa sa COVID kasi yung Brisbane kasi before wala silang mga cases, tapos ngayon biglang tumaas yung cases nila. So lahat ng mga tao parang
Mommy, I wanna watch TV.
nagpanic
I
na.
wanna turn
But
the
then,
TV on.
very different kasi yung sitwasyon namin sa Brisbane.
Mommy,
Anak, I'm talking, my love.
I wanna turn the TV on.
Very different kasi yung aming sitwasyon, guys. Kasi sa Melbourne, oh my goodness, kami, diba, nag-lockdown kami for how many months. Sila dito at nag-lockdown sila ilang araw. Kami parang isang buong taon nag-lockdown sa Melbourne.
So loud, not voice.
Nag-lockdown kami sa Melbourne.
No, it's too noisy, Mommy. It's too noisy. It's too noisy, Mommy. It's too noisy.
Okay, sorry, my love.
Talk a little down a little bit because I can't hear the TV.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam.
Oh my God. He's looking.
3 o'clock in the afternoon. We are outside. Hello, sweetie girl. Tingnan niyo ang ating Ate Paris. Mabungkag na ginang from manghod na. Why don't you walk, my love? Ha? Paiyak-iyak kasi, guys.
Cause my...
Yung pinaupo ng tatay niya siya. Cause you're what? Cause you're lazy?
Cause my leg is going to... tired.
Tired. Careful, nak. Oh, don't put too much pressure. Tanawa, daddy. Have a look, daddy. It's very low now. I'm really scared it's going to break. Ray. Lalakad kami, guys. Punta kami ng nail salon. Tingnan nyo, oh. Alam niyo ba, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapagpakuko. So we're gonna go and get my nails done. SNS as always. Na-miss ko lang, guys. And Cyrus will go with me and then Daddy will take Celine for a walk. Nakadadi na yan siya.
And I want to select what happens. After, we'll go to the swimming pool.
Yay! Tingnan nyo, ang damit oh. Ano yan sa ilalim? Kanyang swimwear. So we will go later. Maliligo yan siya. Kaya nga nakasakayan siya dyan kasi umiiyak ba? Gusto na niyang pumunta. Later pa man. Magpapakuko muna si Madra Bells niya. We're done guys with our nails. Have a look. Show me. Tingnan nyo, ginawa din ni Kuya yung lalaki kasi yung gumawa ng kuko ko guys. And he's done Paris as well. Super cute. You happy with yours?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda. First time ko palang nakapa-hot pink guys. Oh, I love it. So nice. Anyways, we'll go and see Daddy Mike. Tingnan nyo, sa baba. Tingnan nyo, kumakain. Or chilling. Call na ko.
Daddy.
Louder. 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 Louder mo. Say Daddy Mike.
Let's go down.
Call again si Daddy Mike. Again. Come on. Bungal na yung Daddy. Stay up here. Stay up here.
Up here.
You can hear us now.
Mommy, they can't hear us.
Okay, let's just go.
Show me and us. Hey.
Daddy, she's been trying to call you from there.
I heard you. I heard her voice, but I couldn't. I was looking at you.
Daddy, you just left the wallet here, Daddy. Oh.
I don't want to walk the
Did you
dog.
sleep?
Yeah. Go back up.
Same color na ko ng yung damit ng aking kuko. I like it. Yeah, Tito painted it too. See? Super nice.
You look so beautiful, Paris.
Yeah, mommy too.
Show me your diner.
Bob, I supposed to change the color, Bob. Remember we talked about the color at home, said like hot pink, and when I got there I said like, oh, there's so many colors. I said like I might change. So like, Mommy, you said pink, you should get pink. Or you should get hot pink. She pushed me to get the hot pink, guys. Nice one. So we've been trying to figure out this song guys for Paris. Kasi sabi niya, gusto niya ipalagay sa YouTube yung kanta. Hindi namin alam yung title guys. So ito yung ginagawa niya. What was the song? Sing it.
Against the time.
Okay, sing it again.
Against the time. The time. It's raining. Everyone be right. Against the time.
So see guys, hindi namin alam kung anong kanta yan. Kaya hindi namin ilalagay sa YouTube. Pumasok kami doon sa nail salon. And then, naka-play sa kanilang TV guys yung kanta. Guess what, Daddy? What's the song?
What?
It's the Pink song.
Oh, look.
The Shower Me With Sunshine.
I haven't even heard it. But
Ayun pala guys, yung kay Pink pala na kanta na, it's Shower Me With Sunshine.
love it.
Let's play it. So happy I figured it out now. Tignan niyo guys. Ate Paris, you shouldn't be there, anak. Mura man chichigi ngayon. Oh, tingnan niyo, oh. Natin. Baby Celine. We'll take Paris for a swim, guys. And Ate Paris ay very tired naman. Dinala to ni Daddy Mike. Diyan nilagay si Baby Celine. Let me push in first. Hi, na. Hello, Babu. Hello, Babu. Hey. You happy? You happy? She loves it. How about you, ate? You happy? Tingnan nyo, palak siya. Nak, don't start that, nak. You might flip na.
Right here. Mommy.
Hmm?
I want to have a look at the creatures there.
You wanna have a look at what?
Nah.
The creature.
The creatures. No, we're going to swim. We're
Right,
gonna
that's
swim.
simple.
We were here yesterday, guys. Hindi pala kami nakapag-vlog kahapon. But it's the Botanic Garden. Just, dito sa baba lang talaga ng building. So that's where we're staying, guys. All the building. Dito na dadaan papunta doon sa kung saan maliligo ang ating baby girl. Are you excited, Paris? Very sleepy na pala yan siya. Binubukan niya ang kanyang mata for the swimming. Hi, Celine Ray! Happy girl, oy! Super pink.
Mom, pink here.
Lay down, ate. Sana all, oh.
I look like a baby.
Good. Kaka.
I'm not
Yes, sir.
I'm not a baby.
Start Tito your nails.
Yeah, no. Super nice. Hi, Celine! Hi, Celine! Celine! Hi! Hi, Celine!
I'm not silly.
Oh, Celine. Very nice here, guys. Oh, so Christmas. Wow, it's very nice, isn't it, honey?
What's this thing? I love
Christmas lights.
Yeah. Look how it's Christmas. What's
Beautiful. Tabi apo, biyag. Inyo, oh, sobrang laki ng
At nighttime, Bob.
over there?
tree.
At nighttime it looks spectacular.
They're over there.
It is nighttime, Daddy.
No, like when it's dark, it gets even more it gets even more lit up.
So we will cross this bridge. And then, just across there, guys.
That's not too far, is it?
Huh?
Ah, it's nothing.
There.
This is the river.
We're going across the river to the swimming pool.
It's the bridge.
Then it rained here last night.
Yeah. We're here. Finally. Grabe, guys. Napagod maglakad, oy. Remember nang nagbisita kami dito sa, Brisbane? Last year, March. Dito si Paris Tampisaw. So, dyan namin siya dadalhin. Very excited dyan siya. Looks very nice, diba? Gusto niya dito sa sand. 6 o'clock na pala, guys. Can you believe it? It was a long walk. It's a long walk. Pero nakabalik na siya dyan sa kanya.
See another one?
Yeah.
I think I might take my stuff off then.
Here.
Go sit on the sand. We're gonna take your clothes off too, hold on.
Ayan na, oh. Nakatampisaw na. Very happy girl. Okay, don't cry, my love. Don't cry. Papadidian ko na rin to, oh. Very hungry na po, nak. Very, ay, pakita tutoy. Ito. Pakita sa tutoy. Ikaw? Come. Oh my God, I'm sweating, guys. Grabe. Hello! Hello, everyone! Kakatapos ko lang magdede. Dede sa mama. Are you happy now, nak? You happy now? Ating Ate Paris at Daddy Mike ay nandun pa rin. Ayan. So, after nito, for sure, ang ating Ate Paris ay magiging tired and pagdating sa bahay, tulog na yan siya. Splak na yan siya. Pati ito siya, oh. Splak na rin to. Anyways, hindi ko pa na share sa inyo kanina guys. So I was talking to my doctor kaninang hapon. And yung findings niya sa akin, so we did it over the phone lang, no? Kasi tinanong niya pala ako, sabi niya, gusto mo video call or it depends on you kung gusto mo ng phone lang or video call. And like, phone lang kasi ano namang magagawa ng video call, diba? And so yung findings niya guys, sabi niya, I could have like, hindi ko ma-pronounce, Libriumtitis or something like that. And then the second one, pag naano ko guys, pag na-find out ko talaga yung pangalan, ay lalagay ko sa screen. And then the second one, sabi niya, I might have benign vertigo. So, kasi tinanong niya ako guys, kung meron ba akong nausea. So, for the last week naman, wala siyang nausea guys. Yung aking nararamdaman talaga is mainly yung dizziness lang. And then I remember kasi before kami umalis ng Melbourne guys, to be honest, Daddy Mike and I took pregnancy test kasi hindi natin alam, diba? So sabi ng doktor na next week if I don't feel better, punta daw ako doon sa sa clinic niya, sa medical center, para i-check niya daw ako, i-check niya yung ear ko. Tinanong niya pala ako kung masakit ba yung tenga ko kasi daw baka ear infection. Pero sabi ko wala naman talaga, mainly talaga is yung dizziness, yung nahihilo talaga ako, yun lang talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Pero I think yung sinabi niya, the second one, vertigo, yeah, I think yun na yun. But sabi niya sa akin na if hindi daw ako ma-feel better by next week, gusto niyang pumunta ako doon para i-check niya daw yung ear ko, and also gusto niyang i-check or scan yung aking ulo. Pero alam niyo, sabi niya sa akin, don't go to Google and start searching about brain tumor or whatever kasi you don't have that. Sabi niya, yeah, ano lang daw, kailangan daw i-check, scan lang just to make sure that, you know, there's nothing very serious about it. Sabi niya, huwag kang mag-Dr. Google kasi yun yung nakaka-stress sa'yo. But yeah, he said hopefully before, you know, next week you'll feel better, and I really hope so too guys kasi I can't take it anymore. Like, you know, pag naglalakad ako sa daan or sa shops or kahit saan man, like, bigla akong nahihilo at natatakot ako baka matumba. Uwi na kami, obviously. Tulog na ang ating baby silin. Maybe not. Hindi mo siya kita through the, glass. Ang ating mag-ama ay nandiyan. We're watching a movie. Time check, people. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night. Tulog na ang ating mga bagets. It's just me and Daddy Mike.
Having some quality time.
Kakatapos na namin manood ng guys. What was that show? What's the title?
Queer Eye for the Straight Guy.
Yeah, Queer Eye. Sa Netflix?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy Mike loves it. I actually love it too. I love transformations. Hindi natapos yung chika ko before nung nandun kami habang naliligo sila because my battery went flat. I couldn't remember the name. Daddy, what was the first thing that the doctor said?
Some libritis or something?
Libritis?
Did I just make that up? Anyway, it's to do with equilibrium, which is
equilibrium.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Equilibrium basically means balance, equal, and librium. Your librium's in your your ears.
When the doctor asked me if I had a nausea, I said no, nothing. But last week I had it.
Yeah, you twice.
Was it twice?
The day before Nanampaz and then at Nanampaz.
Oh yeah. Oh, see, twice pala guys. And Daddy went to buy
a pregnancy test. The funniest thing was my mum was there too.
Inisip namin yun kasi dahil nga sa symptoms ko, yun bang nahihilo ako tapos nagsuka ako that time. But yeah, no, we've done the test like plenty of times now, and it's negative. And yeah, and yeah, I don't think I'll be pregnant to Daddy.
And when you put two animals in a room together, Mum, you never know what happens.
Ayan yung view namin, guys. So, yan. Kami pala yung nakikita. Yeah, but anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I'll show you the kids group. Okay, go tadi. Tingnan niya. Huh? Hindi mag-focus. Sleeping. Oh, we have to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Be careful.